How to generate QR code of your posts on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to create a scannable QR code for your Instagram profile or posts. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. At this point, look for a QR code right beside the Save option. In the next step, tap on QR code to generate your profile's QR code. Following this, your unique Instagram QR code will appear on the screen. Once done, anyone can scan this code to visit your Instagram profile instantly. From here, you can tap on the color palette icon to customize your QR code style. At this stage, tap the download icon to save the QR code to your gallery. After this, you can share the QR code image on other platforms or print it. Once completed, others can scan your QR code using their Instagram camera or any QR scanner app. And that's it. If this QR code guide helped you share your Instagram profile easily, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.